Circulation boost, how to keep your blood flow strong and steady. Welcome back to Health and Fitness University. Today we're diving into something vital, literally your blood vessels. Your blood vessels carry oxygen, nutrients, and hormones to every cell in your body. When your circulation is strong, your brain is sharper, your energy is higher, and your heart works better. In this video, you'll learn how to naturally improve circulation with the right foods, exercises, and daily habits, so you feel more energized, focused, and alive. If you're ready to boost your blood flow, hit that like button and let's get the heart pumping. Your circulatory system includes your heart, arteries, veins, and capillaries, a 60,000-mile highway inside your body. When circulation is poor, you may feel cold extremities, tingling, cramps, fatigue, or even brain fog. Poor blood flow can increase your risk of blood clots, heart disease, varicose veins, and even stroke. But here's the good news. You can improve your circulation starting today. Section 2. Circulation boosting foods. Certain foods can help open blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and support heart function. 1. Beets, high in nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide, helping relax and expand blood vessels. 2. Citrus fruits. Vitamin C strengthens capillaries and prevents plaque buildup. 3. Leafy greens. Spinach and arugula support nitric oxide levels and blood pressure regulation. 4. Garlic. Improves arterial flexibility and reduces blood pressure. 5. Healthy fats, avocados, olive oil, nuts. Reduce inflammation and keep your blood vessels elastic. Drink plenty of water. Your blood is 90% water, and dehydration thickens it, slowing circulation. Section 3. Exercises that improve blood flow. Movement is key to getting your blood moving. Even short bursts can make a big difference. 1. Brisk walking. Walking pumps blood from your legs back to your heart, supporting your veins and heart. 2. Yoga and stretching. Gentle poses like legs up the wall, downward dog, and seated twists stimulate circulation. 3. Leg movements. Simple calf raises, ankle rolls, or bodyweight squats improve lower body circulation. 4. Dancing or low-impact cardio. Fun ways to raise your heart rate and activate blood flow throughout the body. Sitting too long? Stand up and move every 30 to 60 minutes. Even 2 minutes helps. Section 4. Lifestyle habits for better blood flow. These small habits make a big impact on your circulation. 1. Warm showers or baths. Heat dilates blood vessels and improves flow. 2. Compression socks. Great for long travel days or if you're on your feet all day. 3. Deep breathing. Oxygenates your blood and lowers blood pressure. 4. Avoid smoking. Even occasional smoking damages blood vessels quickly. 5. Get quality sleep. Nighttime is when your heart and vessels repair themselves. Healthy blood vessels equal a healthy body. When circulation flows smoothly, you feel sharper, lighter, and more alive. Support your blood flow every day with movement, hydration, nutrient-rich foods, and heart-smart habits. If this helped you feel more in control of your health, give it a thumbs up and comment your favorite circulation-boosting activity. And don't forget to subscribe to Health and Fitness University for weekly tips that fuel your well-being. Move well, eat smart, keep the flow alive.